Welcome back to Saravji. Today's topic is an educational talk about feature selection and feature engineering and why it matters. In this part, I'll cover the remarks and the overall results and the conclusions. The Baroda package that I used in the feature selection is a very convenient shortcut. The paper that this package is based on has a few shortcomings, which result in inconsistent and, depending on the dataset, unintentional results. Also, the actual implementation of the Baroda package does not follow the paper and is a rough approximation on some of the core principles. So use it with caution and verify the results. The experiments demonstrated there is a better feature selection available than what the Baroda package selected. As demonstrated also, feature selection and feature engineering outperform too early algorithm tuning by a wide margin, especially if you combine feature selection and feature engineering. On this particular dataset, it is pretty hard and it requires a significant effort to get 2 additional observations correctly classified. A few select overall results. As always, we have been using MCC as our evaluation metric. The first experiment we did with a naive approach, using all the data and using default models, which is our bare bone baseline. MCC is 0.51 and it takes approximately a minute to run. Brute force approach, using all the data and going through combinations of parameters, trying to find and tune the models, takes significant compute time. My server took 99 hours to process this whole stack through. And the MCC ended up with 0.72. Feature selection was the Baroda package with the default models. MCC is 0.763 and the runtime is just shy of 2 minutes. So this outperforms the brute force approach already. The next experiment was the deep dive, actually verifying the features that the Baroda package produced. In this case, I needed to exchange a couple of features here. After doing this, running the default models, no tuning on the machine learning algorithm, the MCC did grow to 0.793 and the runtime is less than 10 seconds. Finally, I used the modified feature selection, default models, and modify the features with the standard scaler, improves the performance to an MCC of 8.60 with a runtime of less than 10 seconds. At this stage, we have only used methods that are available out of the box, other than modifying the feature selection that Baroda suggested. There is not any significant manual intervention in here, any manual effort in here. The final experiment, actually experimenting around with different scalars, different scalar combinations, throwing PCA into the mix and tuning models and spending significant time on these tuning the models, I could achieve a 0.863, so 3/1000ths better MCC result, with the final runtime of the stack being about 15 seconds. And the difference between 0.860 MCC and 0.863 MCC is 2 additional observations classified correctly. So those 2 come at a very significant cost. With this, I thank you for following along this educational talk about feature selection and feature engineering. I hope I could show you that it matters. Thank you, and see you on the next video.